Stray Kids member Lee No celebrated his birthday by making a generous donation of 200 million Korean won, approximately $145,000 USD, spreading warmth and compassion to those in need. On October 25, Lee No donated 100 million to Samsung Seoul Hospital and another 100 million to the cat protection organization Nabia Saranghae, a group dedicated to rescuing and caring for abandoned cats. According to reports, his donation to Samsung Seoul Hospital will help cover medical expenses such as surgeries and transplants for adults and children battling serious illnesses. Meanwhile, his contribution to Nabia Saranghae will fund rescue operations, protection, and care programs for stray cats. Lee No expressed heartfelt gratitude, saying, "Thanks to the warm support of my fans on this special day, I was able to practice meaningful sharing. I sincerely hope my contribution reaches those in need and brings comfort and strength to all precious lives facing hardships." This act of kindness continues Lee No's long-standing commitment to philanthropy. In January 2024, he donated 100 million to World Vision's Global Food Crisis Response Program, becoming the youngest member of the organization's Bob Pierce Honor Club. He has also sponsored 4 children through World Vision since 2014 and contributed to emergency relief efforts following the Turkey-Syria earthquake in 2023. Earlier this year, in April 2025, Lee No joined his fellow Stray Kids members in donating 800 million, 400 million each to Hope Bridge and World Vision, to aid wildfire recovery efforts in the Jeonnam and Jeongbuk regions of Korea. Meanwhile, Stray Kids are gearing up for their comeback with the release of SKZ at Tape, Do It, on November 21st, marking another exciting chapter in their record-breaking journey. See also, Stray Kids gear up for explosive new release Do It.